Everyone, this is Kayabo Vlogs. If you're my actor based in Saudi Arabia and welcome back to my channel. Agad ko na reaction video on Barda compilation because why not? Hindi pa talaga tayo tapos for today's video. Feeling ko nga marami ako ngayong Barda kasi meron bang birthday pa ni ni what do you call this? May birthday pa ni David Licao ko mamaya. Pero alam mo, may napansin lang ako May napansin lang ako about sa interview kahapon ni David Licao ko. Pag tinatanong siya together, nakasama ang pangalan ni Barbie Fortesa, iba ang kislap ng mga mata niya. Iba ang ningning niya. The way siya sumagot, alam mo yung pinag-iisipan niya. The way siya sumagot, alam mo yung parang ingat na ingat siya. The way siya sumagot, parang gusto niya nang itikom ang bibig niya. Pero nang tinanong siya about dun sa Siargao na may kasama ibang babae, hindi right after that, ha? Alam mo yung parang yung mukha niya, no? Ha? Eh, hindi pong ganun. Ano ko naman sabihin, pero parang nandiri siya sa tanong. Di ba? Parang, ha? Parang gano'n. Pero I'm not saying na nandiri siya sa kung sino man ang inuugnay sa kanya. I'm saying sa tanong siya nandidiri. Parang alam mo yung, I, I don't know kung ano ang tamang term, pero parang napanglikid yan. You know what I mean? Hindi nandiri eh. Parang tumayo yung mga balahibo niya right after narinig niya yung tanong na yun. Yun ang nahalata ko. Pero pagdating kay Barbie Fortesa, ang ningning at kislap ng mga mata ng Ginoo niyo for today's video, parang hindi mabilang. Parang hindi maipinta, should I say. Anyways, tuloy natin to.
Paano ka pumipili or paano mo ina-assess yung pag-choose mo ng endorsements? Like itong sa Blue Water Days.
Siyempre
Bakit siya natatawa?
the Blue Water Days pa, they believed in me back in 2016. Nung
siya
wala
natatawa?
pa akong na-achieve, trying my luck pa lang in showbiz. Diba? So for them to believe in me at that time, 2016, at that time, hindi pa ako marunong mag-photoshoot eh. Hindi ko alam paano mag-pose. Tapos nag-arrange sila ng photoshoot for me, nagkaroon ako ng standee. So parang feeling ko that time.
Oh, siya dito pati yung standing niya.
So, syempre,
Parang standing niya. Ina-acknowledge siya talaga.
And yung to answer your question,
Ano talaga, no? Yung, alam mo yung maliliit talaga na bagay yung nagmamatter, no? Kasi can you just imagine, even Standy napapansin niya, to think na that is only a Standy. Di ba? Kung billboard yun, oo. Pero Standy lang yun eh. Pero tingnan mo, nagmamatter talaga siya. It really shows talaga how genuine, how authentic, how grateful talaga si David Licao po ako.
syempre mas gusto ko yung mga brands na ginagawa ko talaga. Kasi ako mahilig ako mag-workout. So after, nagpapa-massage talaga ako. So din yung pagpili natin ng endorsements.
Thank you, David.
Okay.
An actor,
Present mo
entrepreneur,
dyan,
restaurateur, and one of today's
gusto ko tayo
most sought
paano siya
after
pinakilala
leading
dito.
men, and he continues to win the hearts of audiences with his talent, hard work, and inspiring journey both on and off screen. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a warm Blue Water welcome to David Licauco.
Ano yung MC nila? Is that Michael Sager?
Hi, David.
No, that is not Michael
Sit
Sager.
down first.
That is not
Next,
Michael
we
Sager.
have joining
Tayo lang siya.
an actor.
David, ikaw can red opening and ribbon cutting of the Blue Water Days by Estancia Mall, Pasig City.
I think when it comes to projects, I still want to do so many roles, of course. Like in Magnosino Commander is my third na lead eh. So, syempre, as an actor, and also I'm a go-getter, gusto ko sana maraming roles na magampanan. But I think ang gusto ko I feel like kasi sa simula, gusto mo yung mga ganung bagay. Gusto mo ng fame, gusto mo ng money, gusto mo ng mas maraming projects for the career. But I feel like as you grow older, you just, you also want to inspire people. So siguro, I feel like I haven't used my platform enough to inspire people. So that's what I want to do.
You inspired us.
I think when it comes to projects, it's
Anyways, consider they will give to me praise. Teka lang. Hindi natin sinabi na, oops, meron ka na.
Pamasahe daw.
Ayan. Sabi.
Open ka naman ngayon, David, no? Yung sa
Etong lugar.
relationship mo ngayon.
Kasi may nag-chase mo siya, di ba? Palagi
Hindi mo
nalilink.
nakikita.
Yung Ali ba yun?
Alexa.
Si Alexa, athlete. Palagi ka nakikita sa Siargao.
Ni athlete. Si Alex Yala naman ata ibig sabihin nito for today's video.
Kaya di ba palagi
Hindi mo
nalilink?
nakikita.
Yung Ali ba yun?
Alexa.
Si Alexa, athlete. Palagi ka nakikita sa Siargao.
What?
Ay, hindi ka aware? Ito to,
Ay,
kasi merong mga ganon.
Meron ba?
Naispatan kayo doon sa isang gym and then palagi.
Talaga. Baka hindi ako yun.
Ikaw
Hindi,
yun.
pero okay lang sa'yo, David,
Bakit
kapag
hindi ako yan?
napag-usapan sa social media yung personal life.
Hindi masyado.
Open ka naman ngayon, David,
Hindi
no?
masyado.
Yung sa- David, is that the reason why mas
Okay. Ay, hello. Ang kasi talaga ng hindi. Hindi lang. Kumawal ko si David na tao. Ay, talaga ba? Ang dami talaga natin hindi pa napanood for today's video. Yung mga ganap kahapon. Tapusin lang natin to tapos lipat tayo sa birthday ni ni David Licauco na celebration. Ganun.
From the house of Jairus and came to his native place, accompanied by his disciples. When the Sabbath came, he began to teach in the synagogue. And many who heard him were astonished. They said, "Where did this man get all this? What kind of wisdom has been given to him? What mighty deeds are wrought by his hands? Is he not the carpenter, the son of Mary, and the brother of James and Joseph and Judas and Simon? Are not his sisters here with us?" And they took offense at him. The Gospel of the Lord. Praise you, Lord Jesus Christ. Oh, bless the Lord, then and pray that he
Okay,
will shower.
what's next? Ay, anyways, ituloy natin to. This is Kiva Vlogs and see you on my next vlog. Bye!